Are you, babe? Oh,
Rotten cheese. I think I'm addicted to the smell.
smells like cardboard. Canonero,
Okay, babe.
Canonero.
Okay, babe, stop.
Let-
Ed and Shaz back, and today we are taste testing Pringles. Now, babe, when was the last time you've had Pringles?
I'm so excited because I haven't had Pringles in like 2 years. That's legit.
I agree. And let's just say we are bloody excited to get this video started. So let's get it.
I tell you what, I decide what to eat first. We are gonna try hot and spicy.
Ooh, now this is the flavor that I think I've been looking forward to.
I've been looking forward to all of them. Okay, what we're gonna do as we go through the video is we're gonna rank every flavor from 0 to 10. Actually, let's rate the smells as well.
First, yeah.
Okay. Ooh,
Oh, wow.
smells good. Hot and spicy. Taste testing in. Let's grab 3 per. Is that a fair deal?
I'm gonna grab 2, babe.
No.
Okay, ready?
3,
3,
2.
2, 1. These.
Oh my.
This is dangerous.
This is very dangerous. This tastes like something in particular though. I can't put my finger on it.
I get where you're going at.
This is very nice. It's dusted very well.
Yeah,
It's
good
got the
flavour.
perfect flavor amount on it. Wow.
Oh my god, we can like keep going.
Wow.
This is actually so dangerous. Oh my
The
god.
thing is, this is right up both our alleys.
Yeah.
Me and Shania love spicy, and this ticks all the boxes. I think you should go first, give your rating, and then I'll give mine. Hot and spicy Pringles.
Look, it's very, very nice.
Wow.
But personally, there is no kick to it.
Now, for me, there is a decent kick. I want to ask you, how do you think this can get better? That's how I'm going to be judging it. I want to see how it can get better. For me, it smells very nice.
More spice.
More spice?
Yeah.
Okay.
It needs to live up to the name. Hot and spicy.
Yeah.
Personally, for me,
Okay.
it's not spicy enough. It doesn't give me that kick.
So what is your rating out of 10?
I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10.
7?
Yeah.
I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10.
Oh wow.
This is very nice. This
Look,
is
it's very nice. It's very nice.
very nice. Very good. Okay. Hot and spicy Pringles gets a combined score of 16 out of 20. Shania, 16 out of 20.
Oh!
Okay, we move on. What is next?
Okay, it's definitely going to be salted vinegar.
Ooh, can't go wrong with salt and vinegar.
Yum. I'm obsessed with salt and vinegar.
Vinegar. Are you babe?
Ah!
Are you serious?
I got it. I got it.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Are you serious?
Oh. Wow.
Let me guess. What does it smell like?
I think I'm addicted to
Can
the
you
smell.
give me so I can smell, please?
I think I'm addicted to the smell.
It smells like cardboard.
Oh, babe, please. Stop it. Enough.
It smells like cardboard.
Enough.
Oh wow. Oh, it's potent.
Ah.
Wow, my tongue. It's. I'll tell you what. This will kill all the ulcers on your tongue. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh.
You need to chill out.
This
Okay.
This is definitely my new obsession.
You gotta admit, it doesn't smell like anything. Okay, Shania. Excuse me. Excuse me. What would you give it out of 10?
A 10.
Seriously.
Yeah.
You see, this is why 2 people need to be rating this.
This is so
I don't
good.
agree with you.
Ah.
This
Well.
is not nowhere near a 10.
Well, more for me.
Excuse me, you need to relax. No demolishing. Okay. After smelling it and tasting it, I will give it one more taste test.
It's your loss.
7.
Huh?
7.
It deserves more than a 7.
No. Which gives it a combined score of 17 out of 20.
I'm too busy.
Shania too busy chewing. Alright, so salt and vinegar, Pringles, 17 out of 20.
Oh,
I really don't want to eat this one. I don't even want to try it.
I don't even want
Two
to
of the
either.
worst things I hate.
Cheese.
But we will give it a fair review. Cheese and onions,
You can go first with this one.
Pringles. Okay. You know what? I'm going to put on a poker face. I'm not going to react to what it smells like.
I'm going to just tell it how it is.
What? It smells like nothing. It smells like air.
I smell the onion, but
I don't smell nothing.
I smell the onion.
Interesting. No, it smells like nothing.
Oh, wow.
Hmm?
It's not bad, eh?
Wow. Was not expecting that. I'll tell you what, they got the balance of flavors right in
Yeah.
this day.
It's not overpowering.
Yeah. It works well. I will give it that. Interesting.
It just tastes like the Smith's cheese and onion chips. Have you not tried those before?
No, I don't eat chips often.
Oh.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, sorry. It's actually not bad. I don't mind it.
It's not bad, right? But I wouldn't put it above salt and vinegar.
Oh, wow.
I mean, obviously, you get a 10. Okay, I'm going to start on this one.
No way.
I'm going to give this one a 5. So I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it, but it's edible.
I agree. I'll give it a 5.
5?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, cheese and onions Pringles, a fair 10 out of 20. Very good.
As if you weren't eyeing this one out.
I was. My eyes stuck like glue.
Texas barbecue sauce.
Texas barbecue sauce. Take it right back to Texas.
That's actually not bad, babe.
Not
Good
bad,
job.
eh? Canonero,
Okay.
Canonero.
Okay, babe, stop it, please. You're overdoing it. Oh,
Are you serious?
I got it. I got it. I got it, ladies and gentlemen. I got it.
10. Nice. Okay, you know, wait. I really don't want you to knock all the equipment over. Unbelievable. You start on this one.
Oh,
I think the hot and spicy has smelt the best so far.
yeah. Oh, wow. Wow. I actually don't mind it. Very barbecuey.
It is too strong.
It's very strong.
You know what this straight up
It
tastes
tastes
like?
like those Arab chips.
The who?
The Arab chips that you get from Lebanon.
Again, I don't know what you're on about. You're in your own world.
It's not bad, but not something I'd get.
No way. Look, again, I want to give these a fair review. Smell-wise, it smells like something. So it's better than the cheese and onion and better than the salt and vinegar. The hot and spicy has smelled the best. It smells okay. It smells way better than it tastes. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, look, it's not something that I would go out of our way to get.
Okay. What would your review be on the Pringles Texan barbecue sauce?
I'm going to give it a 4.
I'm going to give it a 3. I'm going to give it a 3. Unfortunately. Like, this is...
Not bad.
It just tastes synthetic. It just tastes fake to me.
Yeah.
7. Actually, what would barbecue taste like anyway?
I don't know. I don't like
Yeah.
barbecue sauce.
I don't like it either. 7 out of 20 for the Texan barbecue sauce. It isn't my turn. Let's go for the favorites of favorites. Sour cream.
and onion.
I can't see how you can go wrong with this, just like the salt and
I
vinegar.
think it'll taste similar to sour cream and chives. Is it sour cream?
No, it's cheese and onion.
Oh, sorry, cheese and onion.
What
Sorry,
you talking
sorry.
about? What are you talking about? Why would you taste this the same time twice? Yeah, it smells like nothing. It's like the salt and vinegar.
Yeah. It's definitely the hot and spicy for smell. Definitely.
Need to cleanse my palate. You like?
It's alright.
Smells like nothing.
It's not bad. It's better than the Texas barbecue sauce, but
Oh yeah, I like that. I can see why it's a favorite. I like it.
It's nice. But I think personally I prefer the cheese and onion more than this one.
Nah, I'm gonna have to disagree. I would go for this over the cheese and onion, but I would go for the cider vinegar over this.
Oh, me something got over every single one of them.
Okay, relax. Okay. Are you rating it first or me?
You can rate it first.
I think 6 is very fair,
Yeah, I think I'd agree. 6.
which gives it a grand total score of 12 out of 20.
Oh,
Which leaves us at the final Pringles tub
to
here
be
today.
honest, I'm not excited about it. It just sounds boring. Just cheese.
What's funny is every single country on planet Earth
Have
has a cheese flavor, but in their own unique way.
yeah.
For example, sweet cheese or
Sweet
high
cheese, high
cheese.
cheese, or cheesy McCheese cheese.
Yeah, cheesy cheese. That's
Yeah,
funny.
it's just weird.
I open or you open?
I open, please.
Peas? Why you say peas?
Peas. That
Uh-huh.
was quick this
That's
time.
quick. Very good.
Okay.
Smells like nothing.
Oh my!
I don't know if my nose is not working today.
I think it's not working.
Okay, cheesy McCheese. Oh, oh. Okay,
Yeah,
I got a bit
If
closer.
I
to that.
was you, I'd take a small bite. Okay, sure. I can't finish it.
Really?
I don't like it.
That's not bad.
No, it's too. For me personally, it's too strong.
There's so much salt on this.
Salt.
It's saltier than the salt and vinegar. You know how I know? My tongue
It's tingly.
is like bubbling, tingling. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. The smell is probably the worst smell I've smelled in a long
Just
time.
cheese, just rotten cheese.
And taste-wise, not the best either. I
It's very, very strong.
think worst here today, right?
Yeah, 100%.
What would you give this out of 10?
A 1.
You know what?
I give it a
You
1.
are not far off. I'm also going to give this a 1. For me, I think anything that tastes worse than the original, you're going to have to downgrade the score.
Downgrade 100%.
Okay, which gives the cheese Pringles a combined score of 2 out of 20. So,
Dun
ladies
dun.
and gentlemen, the final score here today, 2 out of 20. Cheese and onion, 10 out of 20.
10 out of 20, yes.
Sour cream and onion, 12 out of 20.
12 out of 20.
You know, I'm gonna admit I can't remember what we scored this.
I scored it a 7.
Whatever we scored this, I forgot, but you remember. And then salt and vinegar
I definitely gave
was
that
a
10.
17 out of 20.
Can I have one more, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
And then the hot and spicy a 16 out of 20. Let's think. Hello? You know, listen. Think. Think. So,
Dink.
ladies and gentlemen,
Boys and girls.
we hoped you liked today's video. Drop us a like, subscribe to the channel, and
Comment. And we shall see you in the
next
video.